In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine air filter. I'm going to first start by pulling up on the air filter housing assembly. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to pop this out. It has these two tabs here that lock into these two bushings, so sometimes you got to use a little force. Next, pop open this clamp and make sure that it lets go of this half. Once this half is off, you can take your air filter, and sometimes it'll be a little stuck on here just because the rubber gets stuck over time, but pop it right off. As you can see, this one wasn't too bad, but it also doesn't look the best. So we'll go ahead and set that one aside. Now you would take your air filter, slide it on, make sure you press it in all the way. Take the other half of this housing, slide it over the air filter, make sure the tab here lines up at the top with the groove, press it into place, and it should line up at the bottom as well. Sometimes this clamp will get in your way. Okay, that lines up perfectly. Get the clamp over, lock the clamp down, and as long as it's locked around the whole perimeter, you should be good. You can drop this down back into its grommets, resecure it, and off you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.